Are you eating a graham cracker like Mimi does? Are you being like Mimi? Yes, I think so. That's delicious. Do you want some more? More? Oh, are you signing more? Good job, Pace. More? You say more? There, yeah. You're so smart. Sign language and Spanish. We just got to work on some English now. More crackers? More? Can you say more? Pace, can you say more? 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 Good boy. More? You want another one? Yes, ma'am. Is that good? You had some strawberries for breakfast too? And a little bit of squash?